So hello everyone, in today's episode of Beyond Papers with Aditya, we'll learn about digital gold. What is digital gold? How it came into existence? What are its benefits? What are its disadvantages? What are the tax implications on it? How you can buy it? And a lot more. So throughout this video, we'll go through all of this. Digital gold, pros and cons, how and where. Well, historically, the most common way to trade in gold was through coins, jewelry, and bullions. Also, there were other sources like sovereign gold bonds, gold mutual funds, gold ETFs, that is, exchange traded funds, and a lot more. But now the times are changing. People are venturing into digital gold because there are many advantages that come with physical gold, like storage, there is security issue, and a lot more. There are making charges. But in digital gold, all of these are no more a problem. Also, digital gold is a great way to diversify your portfolio if you're looking for low risk and of course low returns. The pandemic was a boon to digital gold. People were not willing to go out of their houses to buy physical gold. So we'll go to the introduction of digital gold. So it is a cost effective and convenient way to store gold. You don't have to pay for the locker fees, you don't have to pay the making charges or delivery fees, etc. So it is cost effective and convenient. Then no one can fool you with a less purity of gold. So you get 99.9% purity of gold and you can buy in fractions. If you go to the market, you need to buy like minimum 1 gram. But here you can buy in fractions. You can start with as low as rupee 1 or rupees 10 on some apps. Then the market price that you get is the prevailing market price. So there is no problem in that. And it is secured and insured. It is secured in secured vaults and insured by the companies. 100% insured. Now before starting with the benefits of digital gold, let's look at the disadvantages of physical gold. So first, you are not sure if the gold that you get is 100% pure. Okay, in the recent times they have come with concept called as the BIS hallmark, but before that people were not sure if it was 100% pure gold. Next, there is a problem to store physical gold. You need to pay a lot of locker charges when storing your gold. Also, there is always a danger of theft. Suppose you have any function, you get your gold at home, there's always a danger of theft. And the recent reason being, because of the pandemic, people are not willing to go out, hence physical gold is not a good idea to buy at the moment. Now let's look at the benefits of the digital gold. First, you can start with as low as rupee 1. On some apps this value might be rupees 10, but you cannot buy physical gold with such low value. So you can start your digital gold journey with as low as rupee 1. Then next, it is high purity gold. It comes with a confirmation that it is 99.9% or in some cases 99.5% pure gold. Now this gold you can convert to physical gold at any point in time. Suppose you accumulate digital gold, whatever the minimum value is, you can convert it to physical gold. Next, you can buy or sell instantaneously, and this buying and selling is at the prevailing market rate. So no one can fool you with the rate. You can buy it at the prevailing market rate. Next, this physical gold can be used as collateral for all your online loans. Suppose you want to take an online loan but have no collateral, you can keep this digital gold as a collateral. Next, it is stored in secured vaults. So when you buy any gold, it is stored in secured vaults in your name and it is 100% insured. Suppose in some case something happens to that gold, you don't have to worry as all the gold is insured. Coming to the disadvantages, everything that has advantages comes with some disadvantages. Let's look at it. So there is no regulatory body which is government run like SEBI or RBI to look after all this digital gold. Next, there is limited storage period only on some apps. So some apps will tell you that after the storage period you either convert your gold into physical or sell it at the prevailing market rate. Then there is a limit of rupees 2 lakhs. For normal investors like us, there is a limit of rupees 2 lakhs to buy the digital gold. Beyond 2 lakhs you cannot buy digital gold. Now let's look at the tax implications on digital gold. So when you purchase digital gold, there's a 3% GST levied on it. Suppose you buy digital gold worth 1000 rupees, there's a 30 rupees extra charge, that is 3% GST, which is levied on it. So suppose you want to sell your gold after a certain period X, whether it is short-term capital gain or long-term capital gain, depends upon the holding period. Now there are only 3 companies which provide with digital gold. All the apps like Google Pay, Phone Pay, Grow, Paytm, whatever, these are just platforms to buy, but the company which actually gives you the digital gold are only 3. So these are Augment Gold Limited, MMTC PAMP India Private Limited, and Digital Gold India Private Limited. The apps that give you the digital gold are just platforms, but the main companies are these 3. So these are the platforms, that is Google Pay, Grow, Phone Pay, Paytm, HDFC Securities. These are just platforms. So in the coming 2 videos, I will tell you in detail how you can start your digital journey of buying digital gold through Grow and Paytm Money. So that's all for this video. Happy investing and stay safe.